the number that it was.
Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching News X and I'm Kriti Mehta. Let's start with a check of the top headlines this hour. After the devastating fire in Lucknow, the UP government has ordered a statewide inspection drive. Authorities will check fire safety norms and building compliance across districts to prevent such incidents in the future. Virendra Shukla, owner of the illegal building in Aliganj, has been sent to judicial custody for 14 days. He earlier claimed chest pain to dodge arrest, but doctors have declared him medically fit. A new revelation has surfaced in the Lohagarh murder case. Police sources suggest the accused had prepared a backup plan in case the first attempt failed, pointing to a well-premeditated crime. In a major crackdown on the Bihar NEET solver racket, key accused involved in the exam fraud have been sent to jail. Police say the gang was helping candidates cheat for money. Intense rainfall has left several parts of Mumbai waterlogged, disrupting traffic and daily life. Civic authorities are working to drain the water as commuters face major delays across the city. Ahead of the Amarnath Yatra, security forces conducted a large-scale mock drill to test preparedness. The exercise focused on emergency response and pilgrim safety along the Yatra route. US President Donald Trump has warned that he will cancel all meetings with Iran if Tehran denies access to IAEA nuclear inspectors. Trump claims Iran has already agreed to 100% inspections, but Tehran denies making any such commitment. Cristiano Ronaldo has created history at the FIFA World Cup. The Portugal captain became the first player ever to score in 6 different World Cups, netting twice in Portugal's 5-0 win over Uzbekistan.